Welcome to Better Life. Today we discuss 10 things that mentally strong people don't do. Mental strength is essential that you need if you want to successful and achieve what you want in your life. It is important to break the cycles of old habits and push yourself against your limits. Just like for an athlete to build strong physical muscle, same you should also need to build strong mental muscles if you want to achieve more in your life. You struggle to change your old habits and adopt healthy habits and train your mind gradually to adopt these habits. Identify your weaknesses and replace them with healthy habits and practice these exercises so you will become mentally strong. Here we are going to share 10 things mentally strong people don't do. Number 1 is ruminating on past mistakes. Mentally strong people don't waste their time on ruminating on past mistakes they have made. Instead, they accept their flaws, learn from their mistakes, and move on. That is part of building strong mental muscles. Rumination makes it hard for you to move forward in life and you get stuck in your past. Planning for future also become hard for you. Number 2 is repeating same mistakes. Mentally strong people take their mistakes as an opportunity for self growth. They learn lessons from mistakes and never repeat same mistakes again in life. They don't give excuses for their mistake, instead they accept them openly and show willingness to change themselves. Accepting your mistakes need mental strength and showing willingness to change it requires more mental strength. Accepting flaws is not a sign of weakness, rather it requires a courage to accept and change them. Number 3 is wasting energy on things that they can't control. Wasting time on things that you have no control over will never make you successful. We often worry about things that we have no control over. It drains our energy and also prevents us from doing anything productive that can help us move forward. Always focus on the things you can do and add value to your life. Don't think about the things that can't be changed. Be more productive and work hard to get what you want from your life. Number 4 is fear to take risks. Mentally strong people are not fearful to take risks. We often worry too much about our decisions and are afraid to take risks. It requires strong mental strength to take risks that come in your way. Mentally strong people always show excitement whenever an obstacle comes in their way and show readiness to take risks because they knew our emotions are often irrational and unreliable. They knew that they can't get extraordinary without taking risks. Number 5 is giving up. It's totally normal if your plans don't work or if you fail. To get success in your plans, failure is also much important to know your flaws and shortcomings. But this also makes you realize that you tried. Giving up after failure is not a good idea for success. Mentally strong people never give up and try again with new and better plan. They also make change to make their plan to work. They take their failure as an opportunity and try their best to succeed. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is the part of success. Number 6 is worrying about what others think. We often change our decisions about our life while worrying about other people's opinion. Fear of judgment impact on our decisions. Even sometimes it impact on what we wear. Mentally strong people don't change their decisions just to please others. They are not people pleasers. They are confident about themselves and about their decisions they take. They believe on themselves and on their decisions. Number 7 is feeling sorry for themselves. In our lives, things might be not so good. So instead indulging in self-pity, mentally strong people see positive side of life. They adopt healthy strategies to deal or to cope with these problems. They adopt problem-solving behavior. They find new opportunities to cope effectively. Number 8 is hang around with negative people. Sitting with negative people drains your positive energies. Mentally strong people don't waste their time and energies with negative people. They focus on positive side of life. Negative people can impact deeply on your life, so always have a safe distance. Number 9 is stop believing in themselves. You know why mentally strong people are so strong? They believe in themselves, on their values, and are not afraid to go beyond their limits. When their plans don't work, they don't become pessimist or start to doubt on their own self. Instead, they work hard and don't step back from moving ahead. So this was our today's video. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Up till next video, take care.